Hey there, fellow traders. Today we're delving into one of the most potent tools in our arsenal, the gap closing strategy. So let's break it down. Extended stocks, ever heard of them? These are the ones that have made a big move in one direction, creating what we call a gap. Take AMD on March 15th, for instance. Back on March 8th, AMD hit a peak of about $227. It opened with a gap up but ended the day in the red, and since then it's been on a steady decline, dropping nearly 18%. Fast forward to March 15th, AMD hits that previous breakout point. Now pay attention because this is where it gets interesting. We're seeing solid daily support levels. So, how do we capitalize on this? We're on the lookout for high lows on the intraday chart. These little signals could spell out a potential reversal and a chance to ride the trend upwards. Remember folks, when it comes to gap closing strategies, keep those extended stocks on your radar. I have personally made plus 1,200 on that day. And when you spot those reversal signals, that's your cue to pounce on those trading opportunities. Happy trading out there, and may your charts always be in your favor.